Hello friends, you are welcome to channel Bollywood Town. Aneel Murarka, founder of Ample Mission, exhibited 34 paintings of late Srimati Lata Mangeshkar from her adolescence to adulthood, a pictorial tribute to the nightingale of India. Pictures painted by Mr. Saini from Bhopal. The event saw the presence of Sunil Pal, Rishabh Tandon, Shikha Malhotra, Sakshi Holkar, and many more. As India lost its most iconic voice, Aneel Murarka, founder of Ample Mission, paid a pictorial tribute to her. He exhibited 34 paintings of late Sri Lata Mangeshkar from her adolescence to adulthood. The display consisted of rare pictures of her, a few never seen before portraits. Aneel Murarka said, in her 7-decade-long career, Lata Mangeshkar gave us musical gems such as ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, लग जा गले, ये कहाँ आ गए हम एंड प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, among others. Exceptional talent, she was honored with countless awards, including the Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Dada Saheb Phalke Award. This is a small gesture to honor her work. There was and there will never be anyone like her. I will meet you in another video with latest updates on films and TV industry. Thanks for watching Bollywood Town.